we have a problem, reverse a linked list. So basically it is an easy level problem, and as a problem given here, given the head of the linked list, the task is to reverse the list and return the reversed head. So basically in this particular problem, we have to simply reverse the given linked list here. Like for example, we have input as like 1 2 3 4 and null, so we have to simply return and return 4 3 2 1 null. So these are the example here, and like this is very much important question, as it is like easy question, and it is like also actually like multiple companies like Paytm welfare, Paytm VMware, Zoho, Ecolite, Amazon, Microsoft, Samsung, Snapdeal, DSO, Make My Trip, Teradata, Walmart, Goldman Sachs, InSuite, Adobe, SAP Labs, Tejas Network, Cisco, Qualcomm, Cognizant, Mahindra, Comviva, Ignity, World. And it is like completely based on linked list and data structures. And these are like related interviews experience and related articles like reverse linked list. And we need to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n. That means we have to simply traverse it and return the, or like we can reverse the linked list here. Okay, and we need to solve this problem with an expected auxiliary space of order of one. That means we don't have to use any extra space here. So let's solve this problem here. So first of all, we have to write our base case here. We have to write base case, okay, which is like if my head node is like null, or head next is equal to null. That means if head is equal to null, or head next is equal to null. That means if the linked list is like empty, or we can say that head next is null, then we have to simply return head node. Or if it contains some element, then we need to reverse it. So for reversing here, what we have to do, here we can solve this problem using 3 pointers here. So first of all, I have to define these 3 pointers. Okay, let's say node star previous, which is equal to, it is pointing to the starting position. That means before the starting of the linked list, that means at this position. If we taking the example of this here, so if we consider it null, then let's say I have to define second pointer, which is like node star current. That means it is a pointer which I have to point it on head node. Okay, the concept for solving this problem is like simple. Here we have to create 2 pointers, which is like and current pointer and the forward pointer. We can say that here forward pointer, both are pointing to the same node, which is like head node. And the approach to solve this problem is like simple here. Here we have to do what? Here we need to make a loop of forward. Okay, that means while forward is not going to be empty, until the forward is not going to be empty, here we need to reverse it. So here what we will do, here we can simply do forward is equal to forward next. That means here we have to move forward by each iterations. Okay, forward next, and while iterating, that means in the starting, both pointers like current pointer and forward pointer both are like pointing to the head node, and previous pointer is like somewhere pointing to this position. Okay, now after while traversing like on each iterations, here we have to do what? Forward is equal to forward next. Then here what we will do, current next. In the position of current next, we need to place our previous node, which is like prev here, and then after that, here we can say that previous node is equal to current. Okay, inside the previous node we have to like place our current node, and then after that in the current node we have to place our forward node. And finally we have to return our previous node to get the reverse output here. Let's try to compile and run. So here we have done mistake here, and 47. Okay, now again let's try to compile and run. So its compilation is completed and it's returned a true value. So let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.